Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my menu for today's video. So let's start. Have to heat up our wok and then add cooking oil. Wait until the wok is totally heat also, so that easy to fry the onions. Konting stir and fry until maluto yung ating onions. And then we have some sliced spring onion and then scrambled egg. I use 4 pieces of scrambled egg. And then I have this white bait fish. Nabili ko yan siya, per plate is $20. So tatlong plate. You have to clean up also. You have to wash, and because sometimes meron siyang nakamix na mga little na isda and then some little tinik ng mga shrimp ba. Parang tawag dun sa amin ba, sa Iloilo, parang little lubo-lubo na isda. Yun. Pero ito kulay puti. Ayan, after maluto ng ating sibuyas, I have to add the white bait and then season it with salt and then black pepper. Ayan. Masarap to siya. Simple simple dish, but it's okay. Yung sa atin sa Pilipinas, pwedeng gawing torta. Ayan, parang torta din. Pero ito mix and fry, stir and fry lang. Yan siya. Maraming onions is better. Some of the white bait medyo may malaki din, medium size, parang lang siya, pinky size, and then parang hindi thumb, 1 finger ba ang size, yun. Pero ito super liit. Yan, konting mix pa hanggang sa maluto ng ating white bait. Of course, you have to taste it if okay na yung panglasa mo, not too salty. It's okay. And then scrambled egg you have to add, and pour on top of the white bait and onions. Yan, mix lang, fry. Yan ang pagluto. Pwede din itorta if you want. So, sa kanila dito sa bahay, yan ang way nila on how to deal and how to cook this kind of fish. And then, after maluto nyan, you have to sprinkle some sliced spring onion. Ayan, konting mix pa. And then, luto na yan siya. Yun lang. Ganyan lang kasimple kung paano lutuin yung white bait. I don't know in some Filipina kung paano nila lutuin yung white bait, pero ganyan ang way ko dito sa bahay. Yun ang nagustuhan nila amo. I never tried yung way ba sa atin yung pagtorta, parang little burger style. Sa kanila ganyan lang. Tapos na yan siya, so pwede na yan ihain. Serve hot. Sarap po. Manamis ang isda na yan. Dagdagan pa ng itlog ng sibuyas, mas malinam lang. Yeah. So that's it. Luto na, ready to serve and eat. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless everyone.